Hello friends, welcome to third episode of 10 in 1 from Borix Mathematica. For those who missed the first and second episode in this playlist named Cherry Picked by Friend of Health, please visit the description of this video for the link. The gastric symptoms with the most pronounced acidity are well authenticated and are the guiding symptoms. Intensely acrid eructations, acidity of children, nausea, sour eructations, profuse vomiting of an intensely sour fluid, great distension of stomach and bowels, flatulent colic, robinia, yellow locust. Marked action upon the jaws, of great use in exostosis, gum abscess, difficult teething, nodosities, caries of bone, etc., osteitis, periostitis, osteosarcoma, rachitis. Necrosis and sinus after mastoid operation, facial neuralgia from carious teeth and after extraction, enlargement of maxillary bone, cervical glands enlarged and indurated, Hecla lava, lava scoria from Mount Hecla. This remedy shows by its peculiar skin symptoms its pronounced power of disorganizing the blood, causing conditions we meet with in low fevers, low types of eruptive diseases, diphtheria, follicular tonsillitis, streptococcus infection, hemorrhagic diathesis, etc. Diarrhea, dysentery and great weakness are very marked. Edynamia characterizes all its conditions. Throat inflamed, edematous, dusky red, much swelling, internal and external. Neck tender and swollen, hoarse, croupy voice. Tongue dry and brown, teeth covered with sordis. Pain in swallowing extends to the ears. Skin irregular, patchy, livid eruption, disappearing on pressure. Ailanthus glandulosa, Chinese sumac. Marked action on respiratory organs and skin, useful in gastrodynia, flatulent cold. Throat dry and sore, as if pin crosswise in it, dry cough, worse from air into larynx, tobacco smoke, fog, talking, with irritation in suprasternal fossa. Trachea painful to touch, itching of arm and hand when writing. Mentha piperita, peppermint. Increases the duodenal secretion, emulsifies fats and increases the peristaltic action of the intestines, liquefies bile and acts as a purgative and cholagogue. Disordered digestion, diarrhea and pain in nape of neck are among its chief symptoms. Obstruction of gall ducts, biliary calculi, jaundice, tendency to sleep after eating, Fel Tauri, ox gall. It is indicated in incipient phthisis with hard racking cough, bloody expectoration, arterial hemorrhage, but no febrile disturbance. All pathological hemorrhages having notably a morning aggravation. Cough dry, hard, followed by hemoptysis. Worse in morning and at night. Sputtering diarrhea with forcible expulsion of noisy flatus. Bearing down pains and tenesmus. Acalypha indica, Indian nettle. Increasing the number of red corpuscles and amount of hemoglobin. Excellent galactagogue. Renders milk more nourishing and increases quantity. Causes an immediate decrease in the excretion of phosphates. Tuberculosis, causing marked improvement in nutrition and general improvement. Tired, weak, short breath, loss of flesh. Symptoms of general breakdown. Sexually weak. Loss of appetite, thirsty, craves wine and coffee. Male power lost or enfeebled. Anaphrodisia and ovarian insufficiency. Lecithinum, a phosphorus containing complex organic body prepared from the yolk of egg and animal brains. This drug is highly recommended for the persistent vomiting of pregnancy, gastric disturbances, fecal appetite, nausea, water brash, bitter taste. Nausea, worse any motion, averse to all food, better lying on back. Symphoricarpus racemosus, snowberry. Are solvent externally and internally for dissolving scar tissue, tumors, enlarged glands, lupus, strictures, adhesions. Ectropion, opacities of cornea, cataract, ankylosis, fibroids, scleroderma. Suggested by Dr. A.S. Hard for retarding old age. Ear, arteriosclerotic vertigo, tinnitus. Subacute suppurative otitis media, formation of fibrous bands impeding free movement of the ossicles, thickened drum, deafness due to some fibrous change in the nerve. Thiocinaminum, a chemical derived from oil of mustard seed. Urinary symptoms most important: cystitis with bloody urine, chronic vesical irritation with pain, tenesmus and catarrhal discharges, burning after the discharge of slimy urine, pyelitis, calculous inflammation. Urine contains blood, pus and much tenacious mucus with clots in large masses. Uva ursi, bearberry.